Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Redmi 13C device. So just click here. After that, choose the language. Okay, I am selecting English US and then click next. After that, select your region, selecting Pakistan. Just click next. These are the terms and conditions. So just mark here and then click next. Now, if you want to set up the SIM, so just set SIM, but I am not setting up right now. Next, select the Wi-Fi. So just tap the Wi-Fi and enter the password here. Now click to connect. After that, click next. As you see, getting your phone is ready. Okay, after that guys, if you want to copy the data, you can click next, but I don't want to copy, so click don't copy. Now enter the email here, then click next. After that, enter the password here. Now click next. Okay, just click on I agree. Now as you see, the getting your account info is now ready. Just scroll it down and then click accept. If you want to set the password, you can set lock screen right now, but I am not setting up, so just skip anyway. And then just leave and get reminder. Then scroll it down and then click next. Again set to default and then next. Skip it. If you want app drawer, you can use it and then click next. So now we are now almost done. Just don't install these application right now. Go back. Okay, just click install anyways. So as you see guys, the system is now preparing and now click here. So as you see, my Redmi 13C device is now set up completely. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.